What led me to leave high school was because, like, I just didn't feel like it was for me at the time. I ended up going back, completing my courses, stuff like that, because I knew I wanted a career and to better myself and get a better, bright future. So I went back and got my high school diploma. Plus, I had a 1-year-old son at the time, so like I knew I want him to graduate and be successful. So I went back and did that. I chose this program because I felt like it would help me succeed, be successful, and also be able to go into welding because that's something I wanted to do, and it required my high school diploma. So I went back and got that. So that was a big inspiration to me, and that's why I chose this program so I can get that done. And they helped with the great coaches, She was on me, calling me, checking up on me and stuff like that. Make sure I was on top of every task there was, and I did all the work and completed it. Mainly, like, from the start. When I started, I just knew I had to finish, you know what I mean? Like, I can't just start something and not finish the task that's given. When you get up there, you take your time, you study, you do everything they ask you to do, and you'll get through it. It's not hard, you feel me? I did it, you can too. Great program, and I'm just waiting on my diploma to get mailed out. And shout out to my academic coaches because they great staff and they help you real good. My mindset has changed drastically. Like, I know when I enter this program for weld, it's going to be a great aspect in my life because I really need this to change my life, you know what I mean? For a better, bright future that I can see myself doing and stuff like that. Because welding is something I always wanted to do, and I'm going to do it. And I'm going to complete every task that's given the same way I did like when it came to graduation line. I start my courses in August, so this is a great start to my life. Starting at graduation line. I'm thankful. Just really stay down, you know what I mean? It was long nights, you feel me? Want nothing easy, want nothing given, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. But I studied, I stayed down, took notes. Everything that required, I did that. If I had any questions, I was calling my coaches and stuff like that. I was leaving voicemails. If I had any concerns, they got back with me, and I was able to complete any task that was given. So my words of encouragement is basically like, stay down, stick through this program. It's a great program for sure. In the end, they'll mail your diploma and stuff like that. So that's the most exciting part. But just stay down. Don't give up, because I know it might get hard. You might feel like it's hard, but don't give up. You feel me? Even though I thought it was hard sometimes, I still did the work.